Thanks for joining us. ZENA Inc., trading on NASDAQ under ZENA, a technology solution provider specializing in AI drone as a service, enterprise SaaS, and quantum computing solutions, announcing it has closed its 23rd acquisition and second land survey engineering firm in Colorado with the acquisition of High Prairie Survey Company. The acquired company has a long-standing track record serving real estate clients, residential developers, construction companies, and infrastructure clients across the southeastern Denver metropolitan area and growth corridor. As ZENA's 23rd acquisition, this transaction further expands the company's DaaS and AI autonomy platform across the U.S. and globally, while closing in on its stated goal of acquiring 25 companies by mid-2026. Quote, "This acquisition strengthens our presence in Colorado and expands our access to a growing base of recurring land surveying and development-related customers," said Sean Pasley, PhD, ZENA's CEO. High Prairie brings decades of trusted client relationships, a strong regional reputation, and deep expertise in surveying services. By integrating these operations into our Drone as a Service, or DaaS platform, we can enhance operational efficiency, accelerate project timelines, and deliver greater value to developers, builders, and infrastructure customers. This acquisition, also our second in Colorado, supports our strategy of transforming traditional surveying through drone-powered data collection, aerial intelligence, and AI-driven analytics while expanding our recurring revenue opportunities." Unquote. The acquisition strengthens ZENA's presence in one of Colorado's fastest-growing development corridors and expands the reach of its Drone as a Service DaaS platform as the second location in Colorado, along with Rampart Surveys of Woodland Park. With an update on ZENA, I'm Dave Donlin for Stock Investor Daily.